Hello, welcome to another video of bullish candlestick signals and chart patterns from bullstock.info. Our video today looks at some of the stocks featured on Bullstock Info that look promising for trade for Wednesday, September 9th. For the complete list of chart patterns, visit www.bullstock.info. Alrighty, we will take a look at some stocks for possible swing trade on Wednesday, September 29th, and we'll start with the belt hold pattern. The belt hold pattern, as you can see with DZZ, our first pattern, the belt hold with stochastics oversold and curling up, and we have had a nice downtrend for 4 trading days, and we get the belt hold signal today with DZZ, and we also have a belt hold with MMC, Marsh & McLennan, and look back at early July. MMC had a nice quick move up, sideways consolidation, a little bit of downturn, and then the belt hold pattern today, closing just under the 8 exponential, your dashed line, and just under your 20-day moving average. Your blue line and your red line, the 50 and the 200 simple moving averages below us, and 50 is rising, 200 is flat. Looks like it might start back on an uptrend if MMC can pick up and rebound and go forward. So 2 belt holds for this video, DZZ and MMC. All right, not a whole lot of bullish engulfing signals to look at on this video today, but a couple we'll take a look at. First, go down to stochastics and show you stochastics in the oversold area. They are curling up. Heavier than average volume today for NPBC, that's National Pen Bank Shares, NPBC. We have a bullish engulfing signal right at the just over the 50-day moving average, your blue line, kind of providing some support, if you will. Closed right at the 8 exponential, your dashed line, right under the 20-day moving average. So we want to get through that 8 and through the 20 as quickly as possible, and then move on forward with this bullish engulfing for NPBC. And also take a look at CMED, CMED, China Medical Technologies, CMED. You'll notice the gap down there from the 1505 mark, and we had some a couple of down, couple of up days, but today a bullish engulfing pattern. Stochastics are coming out of the oversold area. Still plenty of room to go for stochastics, as you can see. Heavier than normal volume for CMED, so a good looking bullish engulfing signal with close above the 8 exponential, and your moving averages above for profit target areas, your first being the 20-day moving average, your gray line, which would also correspond, as you can see, with that kind of level of resistance with the last couple of lows there on the far left hand side of your screen, and then that's also where the gap down occurred about a week or so ago. So good profit target for you there at the 20. If you want to take about half off when you get there and see what happens, secondary target could be the 50-day moving average, your blue line. All right, we'll continue with the couple of 3 patterns. We'll start with the 3 inside up, 3 inside up. As you can see, stochastics oversold, curling up, rising up. The 3 inside up is confirmation, of course, of your bullish Harami, which we had the previous trading day. Confirmation of that today, confirming an upward movement. And LGND is the symbol. A nice looking 3 inside up, and we have moving averages above us. The falling 20, your gray line, and the rising red 200-day moving average would be profit target areas. The 50 is your blue line, the next line up. Again, above average volume on the positive move today for LGND, which is a 3 inside up chart pattern. And another 3 inside up to take a look at. is USG. Again, confirming the previous day's bullish harami. Closed right at the 8, high of the day, touched the 20-day moving average. So you just want to make sure this can get above the 8 and the 20-day moving average as quickly as possible to keep that 3 inside up chart pattern moving northward. And finally, 2 3 outside up chart patterns. The 3 outside up confirms a bullish engulfing chart pattern, which we had the previous day. Today, confirming that with a big gap up. In fact, opening above the 8 exponential moving average and the 20-day moving average. Our closed just under the 50-day moving average. So stochastics coming out of the oversold area, good volume for SWN, Southwestern Energy. We have the confirmation of the bullish engulfing with today's 3 outside up. Just FYI, after a big move like this, big gap up, right at resistance, might not be surprised to see some profit taking, so just keep an eye on that one. And DNR, another 3 outside up, confirming that bullish harami, and we gapped up and through not only 8 exponential moving average, but also the 50-day moving average, or blue line, and we closed above the 20-day moving average. So very nice looking 3 outside up chart pattern. As you can also see, the stochastics coming out of the oversold area, they have crossed up. They are heading higher. So very nice looking 3 outside up for DNR. That's going to do it for our bullish candlestick chart pattern video, compliments of Bull Stock Info. If you'd like a complete list of free bullish candlestick chart patterns each and every trading day, just visit our website, www.bullstock.info, and follow us on Twitter at twitter.com/bullstock.